If you've lost access to your Chase bank account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This process will help ensure your account is secure and restored. Step 1. Contact customer service. Call the Chase Bank customer service number immediately. Explain your situation and provide any necessary identification information to verify your identity. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions related to your account. This may include providing your social security number, account number, or recent transaction details to confirm your identity. Step 3. Follow instructions. Once your identity is verified, follow the instructions given by the customer service representative. They may guide you through setting your password or unlocking your account. Step 4. Update security settings. After regaining access, update your security settings. Change your password to strong, unique one and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Monitor your account. Regularly check your account for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Chase immediately and consider additional security measures. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Chase bank account and ensure it remains secure. Always stay vigilant about your account activity to prevent future issues.